Good day, P5. Today is Wednesday, 12th of January 2022. So this video will be the last lesson about what's up. So for this video, we are going to learn more about grammar. So please open your student's book to page 78. So in learning this one, so we have to know some of these words. So I think you have seen this one like in line group or in your FB. So we have here different emoticons. So these emoticons will be used as we discuss our lesson. So the first emoticon is like, like, love, love, enjoy, enjoy, hate, hate. Say it again. Like, love, enjoy, hate. So let me ask you first some questions. All you have to do, just say yes or a no. My first question is, do you like eating cake? Do you like eating cake? Do you love playing mobile game? Do you love playing mobile game? Do you enjoy traveling? Do you enjoy traveling? Do you hate watching drama? Do you hate watching drama? So for this video, so we are going to learn on how to use like, love, enjoy, and hate. So to use love, enjoy, hate, like, and don't like, so we are going to use them to talk about our likes and dislikes. So likes is like shop and then my shop. So to use love, enjoy, hate, like, and don't like, so we have to add ing to the verb after these words. So like for example, so we have the subjects I, you, we, you again, then they. Then we have also the subjects he, she, and it. So take note that these sentences are in affirmative or positive form. So let's look at each example. So for the subject I, so please use the base form of the verb or the V1 form of the verb. So also the verb next to this one, so we have to add ing and complement to complete the sentence. Let's read all together. Ready? I love reading comics. You like listening to music. We hate doing exercise. You enjoy playing soccer. They hate cleaning the house. Next, he loves writing stories. She likes studying. It enjoys running. So please look at the words that has been like colored with yellow. So like for example, for the verb ing, so read and add ing, so it becomes reading, listening, doing, playing, cleaning, writing, studying, running. Also, I want you to take note of the verb if you are going to use he, she, and it. So, love becomes loves, like becomes likes, enjoys becomes enjoys. That is only for he, she, and it. If you use I, you, we, you, and they, so you will have to use the plural form of the verb. The next part is the negative form. So, in using your negative form, so we will use the same subject, we will use the same verb ing complement. Okay? So, what is changed here is that we will use don't and doesn't. Okay? So, you can pause the video to look at the words and the sentences. and I want you to study them carefully. So please take note. You will use I, you, we, you, and they plus the don't word. Okay. So don't. And then for the he, she, it, so you will use doesn't. Okay. Also take note, you don't use s here anymore, even if you use he, she, and it. Okay. So once you are finished reading the sentences, so you can go now to the next slide. So when you are going to ask questions, so always start with do or does. So you will use do if the subject is I, you, we, you, and they. Then the base form of the verb, and then the verb ing and the complement. Take note that you are asking questions, so it should end with a question mark. If you are going to use he, she, it, so you will use does. Okay? Then the V1 form of the verb, and again, and the question with a question mark. So you can pause the video to look at and read the sentences. Okay, let's try this short activity. So we have here 8 numbers. So you can pause the video and think of the answers. So we are going to add ing to each verb in the brackets. Okay, so number 1, I like going with friends. Very good. Number 2, she doesn't like playing any sport. Number 3, he hates cooking. Very good. She loves swimming. Very good. Number 5, I like dancing. Great job. Number 6, my mother loves singing. Very good. I like reading comics. Very good. Number 8, they love playing games. Very good, B5. So I believe that you are now ready to answer your workbook. So please open it to page 69. So for activity number 1, so you are going to use these words to complete the sentence. So in here, so pause the video and try to match them correctly. Okay, so let's begin. So let's read number 1. Colin is taking a blank this year in school. Very good. The answer is drama class. Number 2, Stacy and Luke are in a band. Luke sings and Stacy, very good, plays the violin. Number 3, Ian hates going blank. He thinks it's boring and tiring. Very good. Backpacking. Number 4, Laura loves doing blank. Yesterday, she made a lot of paper animals. Very good. Arts and crafts. Activity number 2 is about listening. So this will be your homework. So please listen. And you have to draw the picture. So if it is a smile, so that means like or enjoy. If it is a sad face, so that means hate or does not like or don't like.
Workbook. Let's talk. Activity 2. Listen and draw a happy face or a sad face.
Come on, John, it's Saturday and I hate staying at home on Saturdays. Let's do something.
Okay, I'm tired. I have an idea. Let's stay in and relax. We can play computer games later in the afternoon.
Computer games? I don't like playing computer games, remember?
Okay. Let's watch a movie then. You like watching movies, right?
I do, but that's not the point. I want to go out. Why don't we go to the movies? We can watch a movie there. A new action movie is on. Action movies are your favorite.
No, thanks.
Oh, John, I think you're a really boring person.
No, I'm not. Listen, let's call Beth and Tim and invite them over. We always have fun together.
They can't come today.
Why not?
They have a drama class on Saturdays. You see, some people do interesting things on weekends. And acting is really interesting. I love it.
Acting class. I hate acting.
Okay, I have another idea. We both like skating, right?
You're right there.
Let's go to the park then. It'll be fun.
Oh, okay, I guess. Skating is cool after all, but just for a couple of hours, okay?
Okay.
For activity number 3, this is your homework. So you are going to use like or hate and the verbs, don't forget the ing, to complete the sentence. So you can rewatch the video again if you don't know how to use like or hate, and then the verb plus the ing. Activity number 4 is you are going to write 2 things that you enjoy doing in your spare time and 2 things that you hate doing. Spare time meaning free time. So what are the things that you enjoy doing in your free time and the things that you don't like to do in your free time? Now let's move to your workbook, page 72. So your page 72 is like a review. So you are going to use the prepositions of movement to complete the sentences. So since it's New Year, so let me share to you the words or the prepositions of movement that you are going to use to complete each sentence. So you can pause the video and think of the correct words that will complete each thought. In your activity number 2, so you have to use the modals, if you can still remember when to use may. So may I borrow your CD player? And then you have to connect what is the possible or the correct answer. And activity number 3, so this is our lesson for this video. So you have to use your love, hate, enjoy, like, and then don't forget to add the verb ing. So please take note that number 5 and number 6 are questions. So you can watch again the video on how to make a question using love and like. So this is the summary of your homework P5. So please answer pages 69 and 72. Once you are finished, so please upload them in your line album. So once again, this is the end. So thank you very much for watching and learning with Teacher Win. So stay safe P5 and enjoy your day.